Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add image into a shape in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to create a design, adjust presentation, and then we can go to elements and go down to bottom. We can find frames and we can click CO to see the frame. For example, we can choose basic shape and we can pick the shape here, and I will choose a circle. So we can adjust the size here. I press Alt to adjust the size, and then we can go to uploads to upload an image, or we can go to image. This is the image I uploaded before, so I pick one image. For example, I pick this. Click it to add image into the design, and then click and drag into the circle, so we can add the image into the shape. So if we want to make a further adjustment, we can double click, we can adjust the size of the image, and we can change the position and click the empty space to apply it. So this is how we can add image into a shape in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.